back at our home track, Laguna Seca. The last time we were here was during our California Gold Rush epic adventure. We set 5 track records in 5 days. As all of you know, the lap record got broken a few weeks ago. And when that happened, the Czinger team got energized. This competition, this striving for excellence, that's been great motivation. The entire team's been eager, itching to get back to Laguna Seca. And today, we're here to see just how fast this American hypercar can go.